And here in Orchard Park, police have issued a travel advisory both for the town and the village of Orchard Park. This is due to several downed trees, power lines. We've seen that throughout the village and the town today, and a high volume of calls for same. It is a scenario that has been playing out today and continues tonight in many communities in western New York. Now, one of the more dramatic sights that we encountered earlier today was this tractor trailer, which went over on its side on the on-ramp to the thruway from routes 5 and 20 westbound in Irving. It had that ramp shut down, and it happened just after another tractor trailer ended up on its side in Westfield. That one shut down the thruway westbound there entirely. This is in Chautauqua County, where it turned out by early this afternoon there had even been more than that.
Fire departments have been out. I don't know the exact number, but it's probably close to 60 to 70 calls today. 4 of those were tractor trailer rollovers. Unfortunately, that's probably a byproduct of the tractor trailers coming off of 90 from the empty truck ban on Interstate 90. They got pushed to the secondary roads of 5 and 20. And we've had 2 of those were on 20 and 2 of those were on the Interstate 90.
He also spoke of numerous power outages and road closures due to downed wires like these that we encountered, and had a portion of Route 20 shut down in the town of Sheridan. Now, you might recall, even before the winds began, the state and the Thruway Authority had put a ban on certain tractor trailers on the thruway, namely tandem tractor trailers and empty ones. Now, you can imagine a tandem tractor trailer is pretty easy for law enforcement to spot and get off of the thruway. However, when we asked police how would they know if a tractor trailer was driving down the thruway and it was empty, we were told they would not until it ends up on its side on the thruway. Reporting live in Orchard Park, on your side, Dave McKinley, Channel 2.